From a legacy of flight, this Cessna 172 begins its journey of transformation. Years of wear and neglect are carefully reversed, part by part, as every inch of this aircraft is brought back to life. Old parts are replaced with precision and care, restoring power and flight capabilities. From the wings to the cockpit, every component is meticulously rebuilt, using the latest technology, ensuring both modern safety and unmatched reliability. What was once grounded is now ready to take flight once more. This is not just a restoration, this is the rebirth of an icon.